It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to scan QR code from internet on your PC and connect to your phone. A step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to scan any QR code from your PC to your Android phone or iPhone in order to connect. A step-by-step tutorial. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go to your phone camera. Alright, so I'm going to click on here to access my phone camera. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you go to setting right here. Then you have to scroll down and look for scan QR code. Enable that. Then make sure you click on this arrow to go back. Then position your phone camera into the QR code. Go. Then click on accept. It's as simple as that. So we have everything from phone into the PC. So this is how to scan a QR code from phone and connect to your PC. A step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.